Looking for a cable that moves your data at lightning speed? This Thunderbolt 3 USB-C cable transfers a 4K movie in seconds and completes full backups in minutes, thanks to its blazing 40 gigabits per second data transfer rate. That's 4 times faster than a typical USB 3.1 cable, making it a must-have for anyone dealing with large files regularly. But it's not just about speed. This cable supports full 5K video at 60 Hz, delivering breathtaking resolution, contrast, and color depth when connected to a Thunderbolt monitor. If you need to multitask visually, it can also drive dual 4K displays through a Thunderbolt 3 dock, giving you the screen real estate you need to stay productive and focused. Power delivery is another standout feature. With up to 100 W of charging power, this cable keeps your Thunderbolt 3 laptop running without the clutter of extra chargers. Imagine fewer cords on your desk and a cleaner setup that still powers your devices efficiently throughout the day. Networking between devices gets easier, too. The Thunderbolt 3 Type-C cable lets you link multiple Thunderbolt 3-enabled laptops for peer-to-peer 10 GBE networking. That means faster file sharing and collaboration without relying on slower Wi-Fi or Ethernet cables. Users across the U.S. have praised this cable for its reliability and performance. One customer finally found a cord that connects a Samsung smart monitor to a Dell laptop seamlessly, powering the laptop while delivering flawless video. After trying multiple cables that failed with error messages, this one worked perfectly for over a month of daily use and offered the perfect length for flexible setups. If you're tired of slow transfers, tangled cords, and limited display options, this Thunderbolt 3 USB-C cable is worth a look. It delivers exactly what professionals need: speed, power, and versatility all in one sleek package. Ready to upgrade your connection? This cable is designed to streamline your workspace and boost your productivity with reliable, high-speed performance. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference in data transfer, video quality, and power delivery.